of go over an ankle and foot protocol that I do in office. What we have here is we've dropped a weight, 10-pound weight on the toe. And so first we checked to make sure it wasn't fractured. We gave it a couple days to heal, to swell, and then to go back down. We've done a range of motion test. We've done vibration tests. We've done squeeze tests, and now we're just gonna adjust it. Try not to get on the cut. There it goes.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna adjust the rest. Relax. And now we're gonna adjust the foot. So after someone stubs or breaks their toe and they change their walking pattern, the rest of the foot and ankle is gonna lock up just from not propelling. It's popping already. Just from not propulsing with the big toe, because it's real important in our walking pattern, our gait, and our running. It's the last toe, it pushes off the ground. And that's it.